Elsevier is a world-leading provider of information solutions. The clinical content we provide supports many types of healthcare practitioner in their learning and delivery of effective care. Central to the healthcare team is the nurse, so let's take a look at how our solutions support early stages of nurse education through to ongoing professional development. Meet Anika. She is a nursing student in her second year of a 3-year degree. She knows that qualifying as a nurse requires a wide range of skills from basic anatomy through to advanced clinical skills. She must demonstrate a capability in both nursing theory and practical skills, and knowing how and when to use the right knowledge resources is key to this. Anika attends around 30 hours of lectures per week, covering a wide variety of subject areas. Her anatomy lecturer asks the group to read up on the respiratory system and sets a short test. Anika uses Elsevier eLibrary to access Ross and Wilson's Anatomy and Physiology to review the material, and then practices some of the test questions that are available through Elsevier's Evolve platform. Drug calculations are a key area for nursing knowledge, as getting the dosage right for the patient is critical. When she is qualified and on the ward, Anika as a nurse will be responsible for administering drugs. Using one of Elsevier's nursing calculations books, Anika is able to take a diagnostic test to review her knowledge of maths and identify her weak points. She then works through exercises to practice making drug calculations. Anika arrives at her first clinical placement. She is working with Nurse Stephen on the respiratory ward, and one of her primary tasks is caring for Jane, a post-bronchoscopy patient, and supporting her through a suspected lung cancer diagnosis. Nurse Stephen uses Elsevier's clinical skills tool to show her the procedures that Jane has been through, so Anika has a thorough understanding of exactly what the patient has experienced. Stephen then reviews the necessary communication skills to ensure care is delivered in a compassionate manner. Later that day, Anika helps Stephen prepare the care plan for Jane. They use Elsevier's care planning tool to ensure evidence-based approach to care delivery. Like Stephen, she would like to focus on oncology care and train to be a clinical nurse specialist. As well as the resources she is familiar with, Clinical Key for Nursing will help Anika stay alert to current and new thinking on the best practice care for patients diagnosed with cancer.